So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to cancel a pending transaction on Chime. So first, you need to open a search engine. So after that, you were going to utilize the search bar for you to able to search for Chime. So after that, you will see this page, which is you will see the Chime URL. You just have to click on that one. And as you can see, we are on the Chime site and we just have to scroll it down until we see the contact support of the Chime application. So as you can see, we are under the footer. So you could ask them on the help center as well as under the contact as you will find their hotline wherein you could actually call their hotline and ask a representative for you to able to assist and cancel your pending transaction. And actually, representative will ask you a few details just like your transaction number and reference number as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.